Prior to installing the seal, wipe down the rear post of the door frame to ensure the area is clean and dry for the seal adhesive. Remove the release liner, red layer, from the double-sided tape. Tip: using a knife can help to remove the release liner. Carefully insert the seal into the available space between the vertical angle and the roller track. Make sure the exposed adhesive does not contact the rear frame until the seal is flush with the door opening. Note: the edge of the flexible end of the seal should line up with the edge of the opening. Firmly press the seal adhesive against the rear posts and hold for 15 seconds. Note: for best bond, the seal adhesive should be undisturbed for 72 hours. To ensure the seal is secure, use the self-tapping screw provided to secure the seal in place. Repeat on the other side.